Hey, good morning or good afternoon, depending on where you are around the world. Wanda DiPaolo here, fired up and grateful for another day to be able to share with you. Today is my first day. I want to show you around um, the HBA Business Academy. First thing you do is you log in. I talk to you every day about some of the products that we have. Today, I want to just talk to you about the masterminds, where you can get your questions answered, where you can plug in. Right here, these are all the live masterminds that we have each and every day. We have the Grow Rich Mastermind, the one that I share each and every day on my Facebook page. This call here is the wind beneath my wings. And if you missed it due to work, I can relate. You can have go down here and you can listen to the replay. We do have a replay. If you own the funnel builder, excuse me, the funnel builder, the first Monday of every single month, we have a funnel builder mastermind, and that's where they go over the funnel builder and they'll answer any questions you have. We also have a Saturday new member orientation right here. This is where you can also get your questions answered. But on this call, guys, this call is really fabulous. I love it. I plug in each and every time because I'm learning golden nuggets about the products. Each and every time I plug in, I learn more and more. So I suggest that, and if you're a new member and you're sharing this product, this is a great place where you can invite people to this new member training. You draw them to a capture page so you get their name and their email. The links are to you and you get credit. So that's just really awesome. We also have a morning fitness. I personally, myself, I'm going in out the door, so that's not something that I use, but many people use that. On Monday nights, what's working Monday nights? This is for premium members. This is for premium members that have the trafficking conversion. It's over the shoulder with Mike and Paul or other leaders that are in the company. They show you new techniques, how to write emails, copyright, and every Friday we have someone that does the funnel builder, Matthew Martin. He shows you how to work the funnel builder, so I can't say that call there is priceless. If you know anything about masterminding or working with a coach one on one, you know that it's so expensive, right? This here is $125, but it pays 80% commission, so you get a $100 commission when you refer this. So it's not only a incredible product for you to get all your stuff in order and to learn what you need to learn at your own time, but you get paid for sharing it. So I just love that. So I told you about the Funnel Builder Mastermind. That's first Monday of every month. And then on Fridays, it's the Funnel Builder Mastermind. That's the one I was just telling you about. That's every Friday. So if you own the Funnel Builder and you're in premium, this is a gold mine right here. And I just wanted to remind you that for every product that we sell, we give back to Feed My Starving Children, and that's just a great organization. If you've been following us, you know that we give to Feed My Starving Children. We just went there, and I am trying to find it for you. This is my first time showing anybody around um, on this site here. Normally when I'm by myself, I can find it. Oh, here we go. Feed My Starving Children. He has a little snippet from Jessica. This is great.
Good afternoon, amazing Freedom Crusaders. This is Jessica with Feed My Starving Children. I wanted to reach out and say you guys are amazing and doing fabulous things. So just wanted to share an update with you. In this year alone, since January through now May, you guys have provided 44,705 nutritious meals. Absolutely amazing. You guys are rock stars. Thank you so much for doing such a good job at what you do, and in return, helping us feed so many kids. We are grateful for you guys, appreciate your support, and hope you guys are doing well. Thank you so much from FMSC. Goodbye.
I
Good
love that.
afternoon, amazing.
That fires me up. That makes me so grateful, guys, just to be able to be part of this community, not only to share products in the industry the online industry, there's nowhere on the industry. I really believe that I found a community um, like this community with so much hands on help so no man gets left behind. So, this is my first video, guys, to show you how this works. I appreciate you as always. Do something good for somebody else in the space and knowing they can't repay you. Click the link in my bio and learn more now how you can too cash in on your passions. Have an awesome day.